I was making some hand wheels for my wife's long arm quilting machine, and this is just a video of me pouring these patterns and making the aluminum castings that I used to make that project. Two of the molds failed in this video. That actually wound up making usable parts, and you'll see that in the end. But this is the actual pattern that I was using, and here's the video on me pouring them. So as you saw, they did all make usable castings, and really the only problem with the ones that failed is they've got kind of a frosted texture to them where the aluminum kind of sinks down a little bit, and so it oxidizes on the upper side. The bottom usually is good, but the top kind of... I wish I had it to show you, but I actually, before I viewed the video, I actually finished the parts, and those you're going to see those in some upcoming videos, and you'll also see a video on how you can correct that frosted appearance there. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.